Hello and welcome to ProjectWork. I will tell you how to communicate about the project schedule using Google Chat and Slack. You post chat messages from the ProjectWork menu. This chat function accompanies each message with a link to the current planning and optionally with project information. In this way, the reader will have direct understanding of what the message refers to. To get started, we need a so-called webhook to the Google chat space. We follow the steps to create a webhook. We copy the avatar URL for later. In Google Chat, under New Chat, we select Create a Space. We call the space Demo Project. In this space, we go to Apps and Integrations. Here we add a webhook called Demo Project. The optional avatar gets a link to a ProjectWork icon. From the saved webhook, we copy the link into ProjectWork. We paste the link into ProjectWork and save it. As an example, we keep the Resources and Tasks panel and select the first resource. From this resource, we show the assigned tasks. We want to post a chat message on this specific view. In Schedule view, we check the Keep Visible Panels option. In Project Information, we check Note to be added to the message. This note comes from the Project Properties dialog. After we write and format the text, we post the message. In the Google Chat space, we see the posted message with project name, project note, selected view, link to schedule, author, and text. When we open the schedule, we get the schedule with the selected view. Thank you for watching this demo video. You can install ProjectWork in the Google Workspace Marketplace.